Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Planter Garden TV. Alright, guys, what I'm gonna show you guys today, I'm gonna show you guys some of the plants that I use and make my own compost tea. Some people say compost tea, some people say liquid fertilizer, whatever you call it. But I have so much recipe, and every year I try different things out, and before I show my recipe I make sure that it works in my garden first. Today I'm going to show you some plants that I actually use and make compost tea. So this is a drum of water. It's about little over half, headed between half and 3/4. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna just show you different plants that I use. This is banana leaf. So what we do, we chop up the banana and we add it into the drum. If I kind of mince it up fast, it's gonna break down even faster. Banana leaf is very good. Even the body of the banana is good as well. A lot of people give the animal the banana body to eat, even the leaf. It's really good in compost. So if it's good in compost, it has to go in compost tea as well. This is a part of the banana body. And what we're gonna do here, we're gonna chop it down. You see, there's a lot of juice up inside of this, lot of juice, and when this get into your compost and able to spread around your plant, it really works, guys. It really works. So we're gonna add, these are banana leaves. We also gonna use cabbage leaf, even the root of the cabbage. We want to put as much. We just want the water to barely cover it. We don't want it to be too much. We want to put enough that the water could just be right over it, settling over it. All these are cabbage leaves. So we have the banana and we have the cabbage leaf. Okay. This is a vines that grows really well. This is a vine that grows up into the trees. Then when you look, you're gonna see they have vines that you could swing on. These are the plant. That plant grows so well. So that's how we realize this is needed in our compost. Yes. This is another plant that grows beautiful. Beautiful. So what we do, this produces yellow flowers. I cannot remember the name at this point. I'm gonna put it in the description. But this, when you crush this, it has some juice inside of it. It's real wetty. And when this get break down in the water, in your compost, and you throw around your plant, it make your plants grow like wildfire, man. You see, we have a bunch of that as well. We also have lemongrass. We add lemongrass and rosemary. Why we add lemongrass and rosemary? It helps eliminate the scent. Lemongrass and rosemary help eliminate the scent from inside here. So this is what I'm gonna be adding for now. So these gonna be adding their own nutrients inside the compost tea or the liquid fertilizer. So when you put it around the plants, the plants getting what it need. Okay, so after that, what we do, let me show you. I'm gonna push it down. These type of plants that I use, the reason why I use these type of plants break down very, very fast. Very, very fast. You see? So in 2 months, you could get compost tea from this. You could get liquid fertilizer from this in 2 months. Some people tell you that you could get compost tea or you could get compost breakdown in days. I'm not sure about that. I never really see that. I know it take, with the water, it breaks down faster. So I know it takes some time. So I will tell you at least 2 months.